In this video, we're going to demonstrate how to download and install Audacity, a free audio recorder and editing software program. You can use Audacity to record narration for a digital story, edit an existing digital audio file to adjust the volume or remove noise, for example, add music to your narration, and export the saved files in different audio file formats. To download Audacity, go to the SourceForge website at audacity.sourceforge.net/download. Audacity is available for both PCs and Macs. In this first section, we will demonstrate how to download and install Audacity for Mac. Once you are at the SourceForge website, look at the top left of the screen under the Download tab and click on the Mac link. You can also go to the download link by clicking on the Audacity for Mac link in the middle of the page. When you're at the Mac page, you will see that there are two links to download Audacity. Either link will work fine, but the second link is a zip file, which is smaller, so you may want to click on this link if you're using a slower internet connection. When your download is completed, a window will appear with a folder named Audacity. Double-click on the Audacity folder to open it. We recommend that you copy this folder and paste it into the Applications folder on your Mac. When the copy is completed, Audacity is successfully installed on your computer, and you're ready to use it by clicking on the Audacity icon. If you are using a PC computer, you will want to download and install Audacity for Windows. When you are at the download page of the SourceForge website, look at the top left side of the screen under the Download tab and click on the Windows link. You can also go to the download link by clicking on the Audacity for Windows link in the middle of the page. You will see that there are two links to download Audacity for Windows. Either link will work fine, but the second link is a zip file, which is smaller, so you may want to click on this link if you're using a slower internet connection. You will also see that you can choose different languages when you install Audacity, but be aware that only the installation instructions are in different languages. All of the buttons, labels, and menus in the Audacity software are only available in English. After you have downloaded Audacity for Windows, you will follow a series of on-screen prompts to install the program on your PC. When the installation is complete, click on the Finish button. You will now be ready to use Audacity to record, edit, and save digital audio files.